Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto with Ledger Nano X. First, connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer or mobile device. Next, install the Ledger Live application. This essential software helps manage your device and assets. Finally, set up your Ledger Nano X by choosing a strong PIN and carefully writing down your 24-word recovery phrase. Keep this phrase extremely safe. Now that your Ledger Nano X is set up, open Ledger Live and go to the Manager section. Here, you can browse and install the applications for the cryptocurrencies you want to buy. For example, if you plan to buy Bitcoin, search for and install the Bitcoin app. This step is crucial for your device to interact with specific blockchains. With the necessary apps installed, you are ready to buy crypto. In Ledger Live, click on the Buy/Sell tab. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase, like Ethereum, and choose your preferred payment method. You will see the amount you are buying and the total cost. Always double-check these details before proceeding. The final and most important step is confirming the transaction on your Ledger Nano X. Carefully review all the details displayed on your device's screen, ensuring they match what you intended. To approve the purchase, press both buttons on your Ledger Nano X. Your new crypto will then be securely stored and visible in your Ledger Live portfolio.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.